Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Roshain More Reviews. So we're here in Russell Heights, the bottom of Russell Heights, checking out the development that we did a previous video on. So we're just looking at the update and the progress of the work. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Remember to like and share the video and leave a comment as well in terms of what you think about the development. So this is just a quick update. Townhouse complex in Russell Heights. So that's what we're taking a look at today. Options to donate to the channel is also in the description. We have PayPal and other banking information. I think it's moving a little bit slow from the last time I visited. Windows still and doors still need to go in. So again, we're in Russell Heights, the foot of Russell Heights. This is a townhouse development. They're showing you around the area as well, so you have an idea of where the location is. This is our older type apartment complex. Alright guys, so there's a quick view. So remember to leave your comment in terms of location, progress of the work, design. Remember to subscribe if you're new as well.